Finding the perfect shade of concealer according to your skin tone is probably one of those tasks that keep you worried all day because choosing the wrong shade will ruin your makeup entirely. We understand that it is quite difficult to find the perfect match when it comes to concealers, but with the right information at hand, you can choose your exact shade without any hassle. So let's dive into today's video where we are going to explain how you can find the right concealer for different makeup needs. Harmonize with your foundation. Based on your foundation shade, choose two types of concealer, one lighter shade and one darker shade, because exposure to sunlight can change your skin tone, thus both of these shades are needed. Apart from that, to cover any blemish that doesn't get covered up by foundation, you have to choose a concealer that completely matches your skin tone in order to achieve a flawless finish. Go for natural lighting. Often, it can be seen that the concealer shade you thought was the perfect one for you inside the store may seem off after you come out in natural lighting. To avoid this issue, swatch shades on the back of your hand, compare the shade with your skin tone under natural lighting, and choose the right one for you instantly. Concealer for blemishes. To cover up color of acne or breakouts, choose a slightly darker shade for covering blemishes. Then go for a lighter shade or match your skin tone for perfect finish. Concealer for dark circles. If you want a concealer to brighten up your under eye areas, then go for a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation shade. Concealer for contouring. Concealers can also be used for contouring, so if you're looking for a concealer in order to contour your face, you need to opt for the ones that are 1 or 2 shades darker compared to your foundation shade. Take undertones into consideration. It is important to take into account what undertones you have. Based on your cool, warm, and neutral undertones, you need to find a concealer shade that synchronizes accordingly. Avoid shades that create unnatural look. Some concealers are peachy, pink, white, or yellow in shade, which when applied to your face can make it appear unnatural and the colors show through your foundations as well. Always avoid such shades and pick your one accordingly. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.